Ever ask a chatbot to help you plan a big project? It gives you a beautifully organized, perfectly formatted to-do list. But then, you still have to go do every single thing on that list yourself. That is the main limit of standard chatbots right now. They act like a brilliant brain trapped in a jar. They have immense knowledge and can answer almost any question, but they lack any way to interact with the world outside their chat window. That is changing with something called an AI agent. Unlike a chat window that just gives advice, an agent takes direct action to get the job done. Think of an AI agent as a digital coworker. It can independently navigate software, read through files, and send messages for you. This capability turns artificial intelligence into a tool that completes our work rather than just talking about it. To make that jump from a chat screen to an active digital worker, a software system needs to combine 3 distinct parts. You can think of these parts like the anatomy of a living thing. We need a brain, a set of hands, and a nervous system connecting them. When these 3 pieces are linked together, the software gains the ability to operate entirely on its own. Let's start with the brain. This is the underlying artificial intelligence model. Its job is to read your request, understand your goal, and come up with a strategy. Give it a large objective, and the brain breaks that massive goal down into a logical sequence. It decides the exact first step required to get started. The rest waits until that piece is finished. Most automation requires a human to write rigid rules for every possible scenario. An AI agent reasons through the problem as it happens, creating its own plan based on the situation. Next are the hands. These are the tools, digital connections, and software programs the agent uses to reach into the outside world. By connecting to these outside services, the agent can perform concrete actions. It can find records in a database, look through a spreadsheet, or write an email from scratch. Just as you use a mouse and keyboard to navigate your office software, the agent uses these digital hands to interact with the programs you use every day. Without tools, the brain is stuck thinking in its jar. The hands turn those digital thoughts into actual, completed tasks. To keep all of this moving, we rely on the Orchestrator, which acts as the system's central nervous system. The Orchestrator creates a continuous loop. It passes instructions from the brain to the hands and reports results back. If something goes wrong, it sends a warning signal up to the brain, which comes up with a different strategy. This constant cycle of checking and adjusting allowed an agent to stay on track and finish a job even when things don't go according to the original plan. Let's see how this all comes together in a real office scenario. Imagine a customer sends an email asking for a product refund. The agent's brain reads the message, picking up on the customer's actual request and their frustrated tone. Next, the hands reach out into the company's records. They find the customer's purchase history and check to see if the item still follows the store's return rules. The Orchestrator confirms all the requirements are met. It directs the hands to process the credit, and then asks the brain to write a polite confirmation email. In this one event, the software navigated multiple systems and solved the customer's problem without a human needing to type a single word. Eventually, a single agent hits a limit. If a project involves dozens of different software tools or conflicting rules from several departments, the reasoning required can become so crowded that the agent starts to lose focus or make mistakes. For those massive projects, we use multi-agent systems. This is where a central manager takes a large task and delegates pieces to specialized subagents. It waits while the finance, tech, and customer service specialists work. Then it collects their findings and combines them into one final result. As these autonomous systems handle the heavy lifting of daily tasks, our role evolves into managing a team of digital colleagues.